Mbaara ya kuhurana na njohi thumu gitaru-ini gia gatagati no inyitithitio THINGA, maabithaa wathani wa matura magitongoria birigiceni ino. Mutabariri wa mihango ya thirikari gitaru-ini gia gatagati gia bururi Joshua NKANATHA agitongoria mihango ino kaunti-ini ya KIRINYAGA akiuga mbaara ino ndigũtigithirio ONGINYA njohi ino ihuke kaimana.
We are also seeing that any sort of collusion between our teams and those who are manufacturing or selling illicit and drugs, we are going to be very brutal on anyone from our teams who will be found to be colluding with the brewers, with the traffickers, and so on and so forth. So we came to say that we are not here to cover anyone. We are also not being covered. All we need from any one of us is to ensure that we work and deliver.
NKANATHA augite mararumirira ritana ria President William Ruto ria kuhurana na njohi no thumu iria ikoretwo ikiananga muturire wa namba nene ya mbeu njithi.
And ours is to ensure that it is adhered to in full. We are talking to our teams and urging them not to wait until it is too late to start rushing. We want them to finish up the game, and then we are left with the issue of actually making sure that nothing is brought back.
NKANATHA akiruta mukana muhiu kuri aria makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere thoguri ino akiuga gutiri mundu ukugitirwo mbaara-ini ino.
We have said that anybody who feels that they are under protection of anyone, they should rather start feeling unsafe, because we are coming for them. We don't care how well connected they might be. What we know is that we are not going to allow people to consume poison, whether somebody is having a court order or not. We are saying court orders protect people who are doing good business. But if you are doing such a business where we are losing life, we cannot allow you to hide under the cover of being protected by an order.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Ndirangu.